stand in front of a running train. Wouldn't hesitate to jump out of a flying plane. I'd slowly walk through a burning flame, run around stark naked without feeling shame. I'd do all of this and much more for you. In fact, there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. But I wouldn't write you a love song. I wouldn't write you a love song. I would cut off all my limbs if you wanted me to. Put a bullet through my head if you wanted me to. I'd tear out my own heart if you wanted me to. Sell my soul to the devil if you wanted me to. I'd do all of this and much more for you. In fact, there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. But I wouldn't write you a love song. I wouldn't write you a love song. Some can probably sing it too. I'd rather be there when you need me. I'd rather hold you when you want me. I'd rather love you till you dump me. But I'll never write you a love song.